In this video, I want to show you how to troubleshoot in case your ads don't start running. So I just finished my ads and it's been about like half a day, and I checked back in to see how things are running. And if I look at my dashboard by clicking on the dashboard here, and this is a fresh TikTok ads account that I created for this course, and you see it's my first campaign, and you see I spent $0. And when I click on this campaign after everything loads, you see I'll click on the campaign and it's going to tell me that everything in the campaign is fine, or so it will seem. You see the campaign tab loaded, and I have a little green ball here, a little green dot saying the campaign is active, and it seems like everything is fine, right? But why is it that it's not running, like it's not showing any ads? Confusing, right? Yes, it is confusing, but that's just because their usability here is not very good. So what you want to do is not only look at campaign, but it's not so clear and easy to see, but you have this ad group here. You see this tab ad group? You can click that, and there's a tab for ad. You can click that also. And then you can check, is anything wrong? Okay, so you see ad group, and the same thing with ad, it will be payment unsuccessful, not delivering. So we want to click on the ad and make sure that we set up the payment correctly this time. Maybe something went wrong last time. So to debug the payments, it's easy to think that you have to click on your ad and press edit or something like that and edit your ad. But actually, to debug this kind of an issue, which is a common issue with payments that prevent ads from running, what you actually do is not edit your ad, but go to your payment methods, which is under your account. You see when you click your name, for example, right here, it's Alex. This is your profile, right? You click on the top right, and you're going to click on payment. And under payment, when you click it, you have your payment options. Now, I'm going to gray out my payment options just because, for obvious reasons, I don't want anybody to see my payment options. But this is where you set them. The first time what I did is I set my PayPal, and I don't know if I mistyped something or I did something wrong, but even though my PayPal address was valid, it just didn't take it. So I had to add a credit card. That was it. And once I added my credit card, I just added and I made it the primary payment method. And then the ads just started running. So that's it. That's one of the most common ways to debug if your ad is not running.